Hi everyone, this is the 13th episode of Digital Marketing 101 series, and it is all about the 12 on-page SEO techniques. I'm presenting each of these techniques as individual videos, and this is the 10th of the 12 techniques. We're going to talk about SEO Friendly URL, what it is, and how to create an SEO Friendly URL. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is the web address of your website or web page. When people enter the URL into a browser, they are able to visit your website or web page. An SEO-friendly URL is when the URL is designed to be more user-friendly for the internet users. And it is usually optimized for SEO to be rich with keywords and preferably short in length. So besides title tags, headers, and content, search engines also use the URL to understand what your content is all about. You should add your chosen keywords into the URL. Search engines will understand what topic your website is about and what keywords you're competing with, and also search users will see the URL and get a brief understanding of your web page topic too. All these can increase click-through rates, which is an SEO ranking factor. This is because search engines translate the clicks as users seeing value and relevance to their search query. Do not use spaces between words or underscore. Use hyphens or dashes. Search bots read spaces and underscores as non-existing pixels. As such, the words get combined into one word. Whereas hyphens or dashes help search bots to understand what that the next letter is the beginning of a new word. As such, the words become separate words. URLs should be short and sweet. It makes them more user-friendly and easily readable. Also, search bots may not read the entire length of a URL. This is not critical, but do this consistently to prevent any issues or errors such as broken links or 404 pages. Use categories and subcategories. It helps to keep your site organized. Organization helps search engines understand your website easily and better. For example, here is the URL for 7 ways to make money from your website. This page is from my passive online revenue website. As you can see, the page is within the category of Business 101. This means that it is all about business. Yeah. So this helps the search bots to understand more about the 7 ways to make money page. As such, indexing is more accurate, and this can improve rankings. This is the new standard. Yeah, all sites need to be more secure. This is a ranking advantage because Google has said before that it is a ranking signal. Some websites have pages or posts where the URL is automatically generated. These usually create really bad URLs where it has no meaning for the search bots. Here is an example. Also avoid parameters like UTM tracking, which can cause problems for SEO. This can hurt SEO, and also it makes the URL really long. Plus, it does not tell users what this page is all about. Do you have any questions about SEO friendly URL? Let me know in the comments below. In my next video, I will share more about another on-page SEO technique, and that is page loading speed. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.